Lindsay, thank you. It's 6:32 now, and today we will find out whether Ward 8 D.C. Council member Trayon White will plead guilty or not guilty in his federal bribery case. In about 6 hours from now, White is due back in court for an arraignment hearing. Randy Ayala is outside the federal courthouse in Northwest now. And Randy, despite the evidence against White, he is still garnering a whole lot of support from the community.
Yeah, good morning, Allison. That support continues today. A rally planned to start outside of the courthouse where White is facing a judge here in about 4 hours, or less than 4 hours, I should say, at 10 a.m. A group of returning citizens is saying that they want to show their support for the Ward 8 council member and all that he's done for the community. So that's set to start at 10 a.m. And then White will be inside the courthouse facing a judge here at 12:30 this afternoon. Of course, White arrested last month on federal bribery charges here, accused of using his position to pressure government agencies to renew lucrative public safety contracts in exchange for money. Now, according to court documents, White was caught on a hidden camera agreeing to receive approximately $156,000 and did accept $35,000 between 4 cash payments. And this was in exchange for his efforts to pressure the D.C. Office of Neighborhood Safety and Engagement and the Department of Youth Rehabilitation Services to resolve a dispute that ultimately would benefit an unnamed company that felt their contract with the city was unfairly terminated. And that's all according to court documents that we've been combing through. D.C. Council Chair Phil Mendelson created an ad hoc committee to decide what could happen to White's seat on council because a lot of folks in the community wondering, what does this mean for his current re-election bid? Does he plan to continue? You know, if he's found guilty of these felony charges, that would disqualify him from office. And with Election Day now less than 2 months away, it's unlikely that this federal case would be resolved by then. So I know a lot of people wondering what this means for Ward 8, what this means for the community. Of course, we're going to follow this all the way through. Right now, we're kind of in that waiting game. But of course, we will be in the courtroom and we will let you know what comes out of it later on today.